guys, so today just got some really good news about something that I'm going to do in May with the other Tristan. We're going kind of on a cool adventure somewhere, and there's also something really interesting going on there that I'm not going to speak about yet, but you'll find out eventually, so keep it a surprise. But basically it's on an island west of Los Angeles and it's in a different country. That's all I'll say. But right now we're going to this art show that my friend Vince is putting on in Kitchener, and he's showing us his photographs. He's got all these cool prints on the wall and stuff. I think him and this other person are putting it on, but I'm gonna go pick up Mark and then Pereira, and we're gonna go head over to that. So let's go. And just got to Pereira's. Look who's here. Back again.
How's it going, guys?
I can't answer for them. How are you doing?
Leave a comment down below. I'm doing good. Just got to Pereira's, and then we're going to our buddy Vince's little photography, art.
Little, it's gonna be huge.
Huge. Yeah, we're going to this big event, right? And checking out his work. He's a great photographer, videographer, content creator.
Overall, great guy.
Good guy, yeah.
We can just walk in.
Honey, I'm home.
Yeah, run. What? I think the entrance is over here.
Mark's what's my 50 shades of my shit's orange.
No one's gonna get that reference, but
Insert clip here.
What?
My shit is orange.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Who knew that could even happen to you?
Oh man.
I didn't know you could change colors.
Well, we are enter through the parking lot door.
This is where you do a glitch effect and then rewinds it.
You know, sure, why not? Throw one in right now. Nice.
Parkour.
Insert next clip.
Parkour! Parkour! Jump over the camera.
Yeah, roll it.
One more. Parkour. Hey Mark, okay, so this is an interesting train track here. Where would this be used?
So, if you think about it, 2014 just came around, Instagram's popping off, straight down here, perfect viewpoint for some shots.
Exactly. Give a quick demonstration actually, stand right there. And get the kind of angle like this. Instagram 2014. It's funny because that's what we did.
I still do that.
Vince really went all out with the tumbler on this.
Yeah, Vince.
Sorry, what?
This is 2015 Tumblr. Prime time, look at the lightings down the hall. Nuts.
You just go against the wall like this, slow-mo video. Mark's liking the vibes. Dude, I'm down with this shit too. Why don't you go say hi to your friend? How do those make you feel?
Yeah, those are actually sick.
Taken in a land of ice. Maybe called Iceland. Take a photo of the photo.
Hey, 50 millimeter.
The 50. Hey, using that 50 milliliter lens.
How much do you think you could fit in it?
How many grams?
I'm thinking maybe, honestly, like 10 grams, 100 grams.
What kind of grams are you talking about?
All I know is we could go anywhere, we could do anything, go whatever the mood we're in. Yeah, all I know is getting lost late at night under stars, finding love standing right where we are. Your lips, they pull me in the moment.
What do you think of the event?
This is awesome. This is so cool seeing all the different creators.
I can't, it's not that wide. It's only 24 mil.